Alright, welcome to this stage, and in this stage we promise we're gonna show you how to install Android before you can start it. So as you can see here, you can go to the Google developers site, and there you can see simple steps that will tell you how you can install on different operating systems, be it Windows, Linux or Mac, and this is very descriptive, so I'm not gonna actually walk you through in those step by step, but I'm just showing you here where you need to go and get the resources. And because I have already installed it and my operating system is Linux here, so there's going to be the command if you're a Linux user, and then you can install the Android development on your system. But for those who are using Ubuntu as I am in Linux, there's another option also. If you do not want to do this sudo apt command thing, you can also use an upgrade. There is a software in your tools upgrade down here. You can install this, search the Android student, and you'll find it. And once it's installed, you'll be able to run and follow along. And be it known to you, you need some connection in order to grab some dependencies that you may need in order to set up with this code. So please make sure that you follow along even as you install this application, so that we can have everything and start off from scratch together with the right course of action. And so please, in our next tutorial, I'll just fire up the Android system and hoping that you would have successfully installed this application. And if you did not manage, you can hit me in the link and comment section, or anything you may find useful to connect to me so that I can help you and walk you through it. And thank you. I'll see you in the next tutorial.